Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by ensuring the server is patched and you have admin rights. Install the chosen Syslog agent package, nxlog or snare, because Windows does not natively collect Syslog. Once done, open an elevated PowerShell to create a firewall rule allowing UDP 514 or TCP if you chose TCP from trusted subnets. This step lets network devices reach the server. Make sure to note your server IP and selected protocol before moving into. You now edit the agent configuration file to accept incoming Syslog messages. Define an input module bound to UDP or TCP port 514 and an output module that writes to a local file or forwards to SIEM. Configure parsers to extract timestamp, hostname, and severity so logs are searchable. Make sure to set rotation and retention policies to prevent disk exhaustion. Once configured, save the file and restart the agent service to apply changes and begin receiving logs. You finish by validating end-to-end log flow. From a network device or a test client, send a syslog message and watch the agent's output file or dashboard. If nothing appears, check the agent's own log and Windows Event Viewer for permission or binding errors, and verify the firewall and listener IP. Make sure disk space is adequate. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily enable verbose logging in the agent to reveal parsing or permission failures. Then revert verbosity after debugging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.